customizing your Foobar2000 audio player with FVT visualization presets, these define how music visualizations look during playback. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through importing and configuring these Foobar2000 visualization preset files for personalized music playback experiences. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized FVT tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. Users encounter FVT files when customizing the visual experience of the Foobar2000 audio player. These files contain presets for visualizers which generate animated graphics that sync with music playback. The primary user intent is to download and apply new visual styles to personalize their music listening environment. The FVT format is a proprietary, often text-based or binary configuration file. It stores parameters like color schemes, rendering algorithms, and animation speeds for a specific visualization plugin. This design allows for easy sharing and installation of presets without altering the core application or plugin code itself. For full accurate reading of FVT data, rely on Foobar2000 by Piotr Pawłowski. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows cannot interpret configuration semantics, so editing must be performed cautiously. Your quick fix starts here. Right-click the FVT file and choose Open With. If Foobar2000 is installed, test it immediately. If not, select a different option. Multiple attempts are common. When a FVT file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Your system failed to open the FVT file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, importing in Foobar2000. Launch Foobar2000 and access the visualization plugin through View menu or right-click on Visualization panels. Use the Import or Load Preset function and select the FVT file. The visualization immediately updates with the new preset settings, allowing instant preview of the imported configuration. Next, editing configuration. Open the FVT file in any text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code if the format uses readable text. Modify color values, animation parameters, or display options directly. Save changes and reload in Foobar2000 to test custom modifications. Always back up originals before editing to enable restoration of working configurations. Finally, sharing presets. Share FVT files with the Foobar2000 community through forums and preset repositories. Recipients import the FVT files into their installations, gaining access to your custom visualization configurations. The Foobar2000 community has extensive preset libraries, enabling diverse visual experiences for music playback. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.